Greetings, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and audience. As always, I'm your host with Right Tools for Right Job by Noor Ali. We have a very simple, very basic, down to earth, simplify way of teaching, way of communicating, way of exploring, and way of learning, sharing, and growing. Right? Very simple. Simplify. A simple, non-tech, low-tech selfie stick. My old Dell laptop with Windows 10 and Microsoft 10 Office and my Android cell phone, right? No bells and whistles, no show-offs. Basic, down to earth, very simple tools, right? The highest technology tools that I can call is the cable that connects my laptop to my cell phone to copy my video presentation so I can upload it in the YouTube channel. I want to keep it simple as I can, right? So it's easier to upload, it's easier to download, it's easier to do the work, right? As it is, I am working 40 hours a week, all day long, doing a BAU work. Sometimes it's policy exceptions, sometimes it's vulnerabilities. My head really gets tied up in meetings. Either it's Jira story, either it's safe. Anyhow. So in this third episode, which is going to be a part of a series, right? I am going to share something. It's very simple stuff, right? Very simple stuff. Most drivers, software drivers, for any equipment, OEM equipment, can be uploaded, downloaded, uploaded on the cloud, downloaded on your endpoint, laptop, desktop servers, or in your cell phone, or in your USB stick, or in your to-go USB hard drive, right? May it be solid state or may it be old one. Just depends on you. All right. So today we're going to understand connectivity information. Right? Connectivity. That's a weird way of pronouncing it, but sometimes what can I do, right? Been in Texas for so long, you become kind of a Texan way. So here are some terms: MIO, modular IO, expanded IO, automatic language switching, automatic IO switching, automatic network switching, standard printer MIB, standard printer MIF, IRDA compliant, infrared IO. Now, whenever you are troubleshooting, whenever you are doing installs, break fix, change, add, or new, right? Change, add, or new. May it be in the data center, may it be in somebody's office, somebody's home, wherever you are, right? Wherever you are. So you need to understand the following terms. I'm going to keep it over here. This is called network terms, right? We have coaxial cable. We have protocol. Token ring is not there, but shielded twisted pair is still out there. Terminators are still out there. Thick coaxial cable and thin coaxial cable. You may find it till today. Token ring, yeah, maybe in old equipment, old data center. And unshielded twisted pair still be out there. Ethernet is still out there, and fiber optics is heavy and it's out there big time, right? Big time. So when I was in a data center for 5 years, right? But 5 years on site as a resident hardware specialist, I have seen a fiber optic. I've seen everything basically. I can say where I was, who I worked for, But I can say I've seen everything, right? I've seen silos, I've seen robots, arms, whatchamacallit, and I've seen quite a lot in my young days. Now, hub, router, bridges, backbone, gateway, and bandwidth. Bandwidth is still in use. Gateway, yes. Backbone, oh yes. Bridge, yeah, maybe. Router, oh, all day long. Hub, in the old equipment, in the old, maybe for the government, in your old cities and towns, yes, I say yes, they're out there, right? You see how interesting, how valuable your service guides are? So much information, right? So much information you can have in this little old book. My God, the edition is old, right? But the wealth of knowledge, the wealth of information is so much. I can still use it today to get my gears working, right? Get my mind working, mindset working. If ever I wanted to be on the field, I can do it, right? I can do it, right? So that's the whole purpose and reason behind these kind of training that I'm sharing, I'm educating with everybody in the world today, right? And it's not going to cost you a single penny, my friend. Not a single penny, right? If you were to learn from me and apply it, and if you earn money, all you got to do is pray for me, man, right? Pray for me and that my subscribers increase and I see success in my Right Tools for Right Job by Noor Ali video channel, right? And I'm blessed. As I say, I'm thankful to God, to divine spirit, to the cosmos, to the universe, to the elements, and to Mother Earth, right? And to the heavenly bodies, all the planets above, which I already mentioned, universe and the cosmos, right? Right? So keep in mind, as I keep flipping this book, and my next video content will be on wiring diagram. Okay, wiring diagram, right? Wiring diagram. Now, what I have used from this book is the key points, the key items, subject that we as a technician, we as engineers use day to day for troubleshooting, to keeping our equipment fixed, to earn money, to pay our bills. See, the bottom line of using the right tools for right job is to earn money and to pay our bills, right? Keep your customers happy, keep the equipment powered on, do the maintenance, do the cleaning. I've done it all, right? I've seen it all, I've done it all, hands on, hands on, right? So I'm going to keep this video short till I cover the wiring diagram section, right? Then we're going to move on, right? We are going to move on to better things. But one must understand how important these terms that I'm using, how I present, how I tell it, and how I explain it, right? Very important, very important. Wiring diagram is the most important thing that you need to learn, understand, okay? For a software engineer or a developer or a software guy, he wouldn't know the difference. He may have taken some classes, yeah, but He's on the software side. He doesn't care about the hardware. But if you're a hardware, 100% hardware guy, right? Then you will appreciate what I'm telling you and sharing with you. I am a hardware guy, turn into a software guy, turn into a vertical and horizontal, right? Vertical and horizontal. You know, I spent 30 years in IT altogether, plus more. And God knows what I'm going to do in the future, right? God knows. Anyhow, as always, I am grateful for all my audience. I'm grateful for all my viewers, those people who watch my videos, those people who listen to my voice. And I hope you can learn something from him, even a tad bit, right? Tad bit. If you learn it, you apply it. It's your own benefit. It's got nothing to do with me. I am moving forward, paying it forward. So it's called paying it forward. I am returning what the universe has given me back to the universe, right? And I cross my finger, knock on wood, okay? It's a tenfold return. So what I give back to the universe is going to come back to me in a positive way. I hope. And once again, this is your host, Noor Ali, with Right Tools for Right Job. So to the next video, we will work on wiring diagram. And it's very important. Very important. As a hardware engineer, as a hardware technician, as a hardware installer, desktop tech engineering, either in a depot, either you are in the field working out of a van with your tools. Wiring diagrams are very important. Wiring diagrams are for who? Installers are doing the cables, and CCTV guys, alarm guys, even locksmith people do wiring diagrams, and even automotive technicians and engineers, robotics people, and also who? Oh yeah, and even some electricians deal with wiring diagram quite a lot. And I used to be an electrical's helper, so I know in the past. And and even some plumbers. I kid you not. When the plumbers who work with electrical system, plumbers who work with HVAC system that has wiring diagram, right? They need to know the modules. They need to know how the cable is coming in. Connectors are saying. They have to read the wiring diagram to get connected, right? So I mentioned all the fields, all the job titles, how important it is. Remember that, okay? Learn, share, teach, and grow. Learn, share, teach, and grow, or share, learn, teach, and grow, or grow, teach, share, learn. However you want to say it, whichever you want to say it. All right. As always, if you like, you subscribe. If you like, you subscribe. And once again, thank you very much, and God bless you all.